Yours on?
Strap your 8 on.
I was slinging off in the bush.
God, never thought of that one.
We'll all be watching for the debris.
Yeah.
That is not true at all. Oh my god. Oh, you.
Baby, I said every time you go, I wonder if you're coming back to see me. I wonder where you go. Yeah, maybe it's my mind that deceives me, thinking you out having fun with someone else. Maybe my insecurities feed me. Maybe I just need some help. Whoa, I said, where do you go? Where do you go? Whoa. Time I'm with you, baby, I don't even look at the clock, but then my mind does a full 180 when you hit that door and start to walk away. Yeah, maybe it's the way God made me, maybe it's just a mental block. All I know is I'm gonna be waiting with the deadbolt unlocked. Where do you go? So I guess I'll take the L. Wonder what you're thinking. I'm trying not to dwell. Got me under your spell, and I'm stuck here wondering, where do you go? I said, where do you go? Where do you go? 'Cause it's only so much I can do to not think of you. I said, where do you go?